Hello, this is Dr. Mears. Today we're going to be solving multi-step equations. I am going to be doing 3 examples. You actually have 6 on your paper. I'm going to do one and then you're going to pause the video and try it, and then I'm going to reveal the answer. And then I'll do the next one, try it, reveal the answer, so on and so forth. So here we go. This first one is using the distributive property first. So first what we're going to have to do, because the 7 is linked to this parentheses by multiplication, we have to multiply the 7 by both the 6 and the positive 8x. So we're going to do 7 times 6, which gives us 42. 7 times positive 8x, which gives us positive 56x. And notice I put a plus there. That equals 154. So that was our first step. Our second step is going to be undoing the 42. It is plus, so we are going to subtract. Cancel it out to bring it over to the other side of the equal sign. 56x equals 112. Now we're going to undo the 56 since it's linked by multiplication. Divide both sides by 56. X comes out to be 2. So that next one is right next door. This is number 2 here. I don't know if you can see that. So I'd like you to pause the video and try it. Thank you. Okay, we're back. Here's the answer to number 2. You had to distribute, add, and then divide, and your answer was 8. Please pause, ask me questions, and then you may move on. Okay, number 3. Number 3 here, we have, remember, 2 sides of the equal sign. We have the left side and we have the right side. Now, on the left side, you notice we have 2 variables, n and n. Actually, that's the same variable with the same exponent. When you have that same variable, same exponent, what you have are like terms. And when we have like terms on the same side of the equal sign, this is on the left side, we can just simply combine them. So this is 6, positive 6, minus 7. 6 minus 7n gives you negative 1n. We can now bring down our 1 and we can bring down our 7. So I brought down the 7, I brought down the 1. And so what I did here is I combined like terms since they were on the same side of the equal sign. I can now subtract my 1. I'm going to undo it. I'm not doing the n term because the n is, there's no 7 with an n over here. So undo my 1. Negative 1n equals 6. Then I'm going to undo my negative 1 by division. Since it's linked to the n by multiplication, I'm going to divide it. So n equals negative 6. Here's number 4. I would like you to try number 4. Pause the video, see if you can do it, and then come back and check. Okay, we are back, and the big reveal. Here we go. The minus 8 plus 3, so this is negative 8 plus 3. These are like terms. There is no variable attached, so we can simply combine them. Since they are on that left side, there's the left side and there's the right side. So I combined them, I got minus 5, undid it by addition, and I got negative 7, m equals negative 7. And for number 5 here. Number 5, remember we have the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation. And now if you notice, we have like terms here, but 6n is on the left side, 7n is on the right side. This is different than what we saw up here. Up here, they're on the same side. So we could combine them here. Down here, we cannot. We must use inverse operations to bring one over to the other side. I'm going to undo this 6n and jump it over to the right side of the equation. I'm going to do that by subtracting 6n from both sides. This was addition. I'm using subtraction, inverse operation. Bring down my 4, my equal sign, my 11. 7 minus 6 is positive 1n. 7n minus 6n gives us 1n. And that is positive, so it becomes plus. Now I need to bring my 11 over to my 4, so minus 11, cross that out. 1n equals negative 7. And that's what I want to find, the value of 1n. A lot of people choose to write it with the 1 as invisible, so negative 7 equals n. And here's the last one. This is number 6. I would like you to try it. Pause the video, and then I will reveal the answer. Okay, here back. Ready for the big review? Here's number 6. What I did first was undo the 3a by subtracting it. It was plus. Brought everything down. I added my 5 to both sides, and then I divided by 5 because that was the number next to a, and I got a as -2. So welcome back to Solving Equations. This has been Solving Multi-Step Equations with 3 examples being done for you and you doing the other 3. Hope it helped.